Yo, what's going on, boys? We out here. We about to go meet up with my boy Mike, Mr. Aprilia boy, and then I think we're gonna go meet up with some of his boys. I haven't rode with any of these guys other than my boy Mike and one of his friends that we're meeting right now. But yeah, I figured I'd bring you guys along. It's a Friday night. It's actually beautiful out right now, so why not enjoy it and bring the boys along? So we're about to meet up with them at that Dino Mart gas station, so I'll pull you boys out when we get over there, for sure. Also guys, before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you all to 10,000 subscribers. We finally hit our first goal. And I can tell you one thing, I did not intend on hitting it that soon. That was kind of like my year goal, was to try and hit 10K. And we hit that in like 7 months. So because of you guys, we're continuing this. So I hope y'all enjoy the content and continue to enjoy the content, because we ain't gonna stop making it. Also, look at all those old heads. Yo, what are the odds these two biker boys are my boys' friends? Wouldn't that be silly? We're pulling up right now. Oh shit, I warm up my back tires again. What we got? What we got? Yeah, ZX6R stretched out. Another one. Mike, you're the only one. And then you got the Shiver. Shivering in her boots over there. Shivering with all these street bikes. Alright boys, well, yeah, didn't know there was going to be any other sport bikers here. Well, that's a good surprise. And now we got a good 44-minute ride ahead of us. So let's see what Mr. Shivering Aprilia boy is up to. I'm going to hang out with him at the back of the pack, I think. God, I love the digital dashes and the flames. This is gonna get interesting, boys. Oh man, guys. outbound here with all these leader bikes, boys. Uh-oh. God bless. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Boys, highway action is about to begin. Gosh, man, it's beautiful tonight, guys. Gorgeous night to ride. The end of September. Oh my God, I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright guys, I think that we lost Mr. Aprilia and now I kind of feel bad. Alright, give me a moment, we're gonna find this man. What are the odds, guys? We got Mr. Aprilia! I figured, that's why I stopped. I was just cruising at like 58. I was like, Mike probably turned. I know. I know, no, I know. I got you, bub. We out here. Leader bikes, bad influence. You just want to fucking pin it. Oh God, and of course guys, we love that 209, 210. This bike does not like sitting still. Also, I did put a new radiator. I probably should check coolant. Oh God, that was a big boy. It's cool. Let's cool this chick down, boys. Mad bikes. We got Betsy. Zam, baby. Zam, baby. Yes, sir. Mike, you almost lost us there, bud.
I almost didn't make it.
You almost didn't make it, bud. You were shivering in the shiver. That's 750. Oh God, what a time. All right, boys. Well, that's the end of that. Interesting meet. We're a good hour away from home, so we got a nice ride ahead of us, but I ain't gonna do too much filming on a ride home. Yeah, make a left, Mikey boy. Yeah, we're gonna pretty much close the video out here for you guys. We're gonna do a little poll once we make the left at this light, and then that's that's gonna be the end of this video. So I know this one I didn't really do much vlogging, but I hope you guys liked it. We got Mr. Aprilia boy. What? Fucking Aprilia boy. Oh man. Yeah guys, though, we hit 10K this week. Very excited about that. And hey guys, just keep looking forward to the future, because we're gonna continue growing and the content's gonna get better. So just stick along for the journey, because it's gonna be fun.